Hello, Takis, and today I'm here with a new visualization in Grafana. So today we'll learn bar charts in Grafana with MySQL data source. So you know how to connect MySQL data source in Grafana. So I have started my MySQL and here's my table in which I have serial number and part. In the part you can see three different colors, red, blue and yellow. And for your information, to create an entry here, you will need to click on add and you can add let's say red. So the data has been added. And as we have already created this connection in Grafana for this database RFID, we'll directly create the bar chart. So copy any of these visualization and then edit. What we'll do, we'll connect the MySQL data source. And now you can see that the database is RFID, which is already connected. Now, here we want to write the code for creating the bar chart. So we'll work in this code. In the builder one, you need to select the things, but here you can write your own query. So we need to write select part count star as count from our table name is quality and group by part. So what it does is it selects the column part, count its content as the column count, and then categorize it from by part. So we have three types of count. We'll give the count of each one. So you can see blue color 3, red 6, and yellow 2. And you can verify the same. Let's verify yellow. So there are two yellow present in this, 1 and 2. Now to create the bar chart, you don't need to do anything. Just change the visualization to bar chart and save. And you are in table view. So this is the normal view. Now we need to do some adjustments like so x-axis will be part, that what types of part do you have, blue, red and yellow. Orientation you can choose. These three are available. So let's make it auto. Then color. So color by part. Then you can see unit is selected. So I'll delete this. Display name you can add. Now color scheme is single color. So you are seeing the green color for all of them. You can choose you can choose shades of color, or you can apply field override. So fields with name, part, and then on part you will add a property that is I think its name is color scheme. Okay, so you don't need to add a field override. You need to just add value mappings. So add value mappings. So when the value matches red, we can also display text, let's say red. color, and you can choose the color. Add another blue, choose blue, and then yellow. And update. Now you can see all the three colors and their taggings here. And blue color, red color, yellow color is mentioned instead of blue, red, and yellow. And you can also change the color using threshold. Just you need to select here the from thresholds, color scheme from threshold. Then if you set the value like higher than 6, it will be red. So the color change will happen then only. So hope you understood how we can create bar charts in Grafana using MySQL data source. In the next video, we'll see how to create the pie charts from the same data source. And thanks for watching.